Hey guys, now we're inside the boat. Like I said, it's going to Anglers Marine. Customer's getting the final rigging done, which is going to have the tower, but you guys have seen this before, but I want to talk about the back hatches. You see how big the gutters are and how dry these are going to be. Elevated bilge, and by the way, if you were to hit reverse, the water comes over, it actually goes right back out, right through there. And this is a raised lid, not a flush lid. So actually it's at an angle. So water would have to come in, go up, go under the seal, come up again, go across and go down. Very dry. Here we have the insert of the starboard and the trays. And then I take this out. And there he's got his freshwater bag. That's where he wanted it located. You can remove it, pull it out. It is up to 15 gallons. I'm trying to do this with one hand. A nice little use of space right there. He's got a little shower pull under there. See that right there? Pull it out. Everything you need. Got his rod holders. His rods holders fold up and down underneath. Again, he's got another hookup right there. He's got the rod holder cup holders there. Probably everybody's wondering what this is. So this is an actual divider, because this comes insulated. So if you wanted to use this for ice and stuff and not have it all the way down at the bottom, we put a divider in. He also has some engraving. This is Abel. It's a little inside nickname for him and his buddies. We did the laser etching, and it's done on the underside, not on the top side. But you could see when we open this up, the lip right there with the alignment holes, because there's pins underneath, so it'll keep it up. So I'm gonna install this real quick so you guys can see this. Let me move my finger. And there it is. So if he's going to the sandbar and stuff, you can never have enough coolers, but all your stuff, even if he wants to use it for dry storage, can go up top there. So you got, again, pressurized, key locking, 55 gallon live well. It's got a scuppers there. See all the storage. Got rod holders. These also fold up out of the way. Gonna do spear guns, long fins, beach umbrellas. Dry storage, wet storage, cooler. Put a divider, pitch tank, live well. Put a 5 gallon bucket in either one of these. Huge storage in there. A couple guys could crawl inside there. Again, you got Abel going under the hatch there for the sea deck. Cup holder, rod holders there. Boat is really simple, right, like this, but he's going to do a pipe lean post seat, and then he's doing the full upper station. So again, another East Cape Bay, and this one's rolling to North Carolina. We'll do a follow-up video on this thing when it's done. Y'all take care. Thank you.